UI Panel 3, Annotation Panel 4, Layer Panel 5, Block Panel 6, Properties Panel 7, Groups Panel 8, Utilities Panel. Draw a panel bar overviews 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. Draw panel bar commands overviews. 1 line command 2. Polyline command 3. Circle command 4. Arc command 5. Rectangle command 6. Center command 7. Hatch command. Draw a panel bar overviews. 1 line command 2. Polyline command 3. Circle command 4. Arc command 5. Rectangle command 6. Center command 7. Hatch command 8. Utilities panel. 1. Draw panel bar commands overviews. 1 line command 2. Polyline command 3. Circle command 4. Arc command 5. Rectangle command 6. Center command 7. Hatch command. Definition of line command. The line command in AutoCAD allows for the drawing of straight lines which can be customized by distance and angle to create accurate designs. The command line panel is activated upon choosing the line tool, reflecting the command entered and the stage of the command as well as available options. 1. Draw panel bar commands overviews. 1 line command 2. Polyline command 3. Circle command 4. Arc command 5. Rectangle command 6. Center command 7. Hatch command. How to use of line command. Click line. Click in the drawing area to specify the start point of the line segment. Specify the end point of the line. You can click in the drawing area to specify the end point, or use dynamic input to enter the distance using your keyboard. 1. Draw panel bar commands overviews. 1 line command 2. Polyline command 3. Circle command 4. Arc command 5. Rectangle command 6. Center command 7. Hatch command. Let's start a video training task of line command. The AutoCAD command line has been around in AutoCAD for many years and for many versions. Going back to my introduction to AutoCAD, I started on AutoCAD 10 for DOS, even before we had Windows, Microsoft Windows. And basically, everything was typed. We had to type everything into the AutoCAD command line. Now, in this particular case, in this particular video, we're using the drawing 01_introduction.dwg. You can see that in the title bar at the top of the screen there. And we're running AutoCAD 2016. So just be aware of the version and the DWG version to make sure that you can open the DWG files. Now, we're running those DWGs from your lynda.com exercise files. So when you log into your lynda.com account, you can obviously download this particular file and use it to follow along with the video. So if we look now at our small drawing here, it's a simple room or building with some red walls there. And what we're going to do is just look at the AutoCAD command line. Now the AutoCAD command line is down here at the bottom of the screen. And if I click in it like so, I get a little flashing cursor. That allows me to utilize the text input into the AutoCAD command line. So if I type the word line, like so, what you'll find is I get a suggestion menu. Later versions of AutoCAD have this suggestion menu, and when you type the word line, you can see that it brings up suggestions of all different commands that have the word line in them. And then I press enter, and there's my line command. Because I've got dynamic input switched on, you can see now that I can move around with the specify first point showing on the mouse there, on the crosshairs, as you can see, and also I've got specify first point down there on the AutoCAD command line as well. I'll just hit escape now to cancel that command. Other little things that you can do with the command line, one of which is you can move it around. If I click on those little dots there and hold with the click like that and move it around, I can move the command line around, I can dock it and so on. Now I don't want to go into too much detail here because we'll work through all of the things that the AutoCAD command line can do as we work through the course. And you can see there that it's still a very, very important part of the AutoCAD interface. And you'll find that as we work through this course, you'll realize things about the AutoCAD command line that you didn't even know existed. Trust me, when I started investigating this course, I even found things that I didn't know existed about the AutoCAD command line. Now bear in mind, I've been using AutoCAD for nigh on 26 years. And I still find things about AutoCAD all the time that I didn't know existed, that I didn't know actually make me more productive and more effective. So let's get into the using the command line in AutoCAD course. Let's get you using that command line and making you more productive and more effective when using AutoCAD.